More people have walked on the moon than have reached the deepest part of our ocean. Right now, beneath the waves, there is a hidden world we have barely begun to explore. And some of what lives down there looks like it came from another planet. We've mapped the surface of Mars in stunning detail. Yet over 80% of our own ocean floor has never been seen by human eyes. Let's take the dive together, layer by layer. Our journey begins in the sunlight zone, the top 200 meters. This is the ocean you know, warm and bright, bursting with fish, turtles, and coral. Almost all the sea life you've ever seen lives in this thin, glowing layer. But it's just the doorway to everything below. As we pass 200 meters, the light begins to fade. Welcome to the twilight zone, where the sun becomes a faint blue glow far above. Down here, many creatures make their own light. Tiny flashes blink in the dark, used to find food, attract mates, or confuse a hunter. Below 1,000 meters lies the midnight zone. The sunlight is gone completely. It is pitch black, near freezing, and the pressure is crushing. This is the home of nightmare fish, like the anglerfish, who dangles a glowing lure to draw prey straight into its enormous jaws. And this is where legends become real. The giant squid, longer than a school bus, was only filmed alive in its natural home for the very first time in 2012. Its cousin, the colossal squid, has eyes the size of dinner plates, the largest eyes of any animal that has ever lived. Deeper still, past 4,000 meters, we reach the abyss. The seafloor opens into a vast, flat, muddy plain that stretches for thousands of kilometers in total darkness. And then, something impossible. Cracks in the ocean floor spit out superheated, mineral-rich water. Around them, whole communities of life thrive without a single ray of sunlight. Giant tube worms, ghostly crabs, and strange shrimp feed on chemicals instead of light. Some scientists believe life on Earth may have begun in places exactly like this. But we're not at the bottom yet. The deepest scars on our planet are the ocean trenches, plunging far below the abyss. The deepest of them all is the Mariana Trench. Its lowest point, Challenger Deep, sits almost 11 kilometers down. To picture that, imagine dropping Mount Everest into the trench. Its peak would still be more than 2 kilometers underwater. And even here, at the very bottom, life refuses to quit. Pale, delicate creatures drift through the most extreme place on Earth, as if it were home. Scientists estimate that millions of ocean species are still completely unknown to us. Every deep dive tends to discover something no human has ever seen. We send rockets to distant planets, yet the greatest unexplored frontier is right here, covering most of our own world. The deep ocean reminds us how much wonder is still left to find on planet Earth. What do you think is hiding down there in the dark? Tell us in the comments and stay curious.